part 2. In part we were discussing about finding area and perimeter of 2D shapes. But in this, which is a part 2 of mensuration, we will focus on finding area of 3D shapes. Before that, before finding area of 3D shapes, we need to understand. We should have a clarity of how did formula came, how did formula of 3D shape came. Come. Okay. So in part 2, we were our focus will be on discussion of cuboid, cube, so what else? Cone, not cone, cylinder. Cylinder. Okay, cuboid. This is not a cube. Remember, here what is a cuboid, not a cube. So cuboid has six. It has six faces. How much? How much? Six faces. Okay. And six faces are rectangular. Six faces are in rectangular in a rectangle shape. This is an example of cuboid. This is an example of cuboid. Here, but it looks like a square. But let's say this is what this is shape of a rectangle. Let's say here this is a surface. This is a surface. So upper area of this box is the surface. Okay, surface. So this is surface. So this is a shape of a rectangle, as well as this is a shape of a rectangle. Shape of rectangle. Let's assume this is the shape of this side is the shape of rectangle. Now tell me, how many are there faces? How many are there surfaces of this box? Let's count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Backward 5. Front is 6. 6 faces. So here, this box has 6 faces. Okay. 6 faces. Now, whatever area of upward surface would be something, this same area would be of a downward surface. Remember, okay? Now we already know 3D shape has a volume, which means space. Of course, in this after opening this, it can something can be put in this box. So it is telling that this space is telling that it is a volume of this 3D shape. This is not a 2D shape. This is 3D shape because of it has a volume with as well as area, as well as area. Now, what's the difference between a cube and a cuboid? What's the difference between cuboid and cube? Here, faces, all 6 faces, will be in shape of a rectangle. It will happen in figure of a cuboid. But when it's come to cube shape, then all faces of cube shape are what in a square, face. So all 6 faces are in a rectangle shape. Clear? It has 6 faces are in what? A square shape. Are in a square shape. This is the difference. What? A rectangle shape and a square shape. So faces, which are surfaces of 3D shape. Okay. Yes, sir. Now, what about this? Is the shape of this is the shape of a cube, and this is the shape of cuboid. This is cuboid. This is cube. Okay. Now, or cylinder. Cylinder. Shape of cylinder is like this. This is a curved surface in which there is a rectangle. There is a rectangle. This is a cylinder. This is the shape of a cylinder. Now this area is a curve. This area is curved surface. This area is curved surface. This is a circular. This is a circular. Here there is a diameter. Diameter in which we can find out value of the radius. Okay. Remember, from here to till here, from here to till here is what? From here to till here is height. Is height. Okay. Is height. Here you can observe that there are two circular shape, two circular shape. Now, it's a time to discuss formula of each tradition. I am erasing it. Keyboard. This is keyboard formula for this. Here, this is said length, and this is said breadth, and this is said height. Height. Okay, height. LH. LH. LB, and LB. BH. What is the meaning of this? It is saying that LH. Where is LH? This is L and this is H. We have two times. This and this. We are understanding area of this cuboid. We have to. So here we can see we have four times L. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. So we will do 2 times. 1, 2. 4 is a how time. Here you can see. With logic we are understanding. How time. 1, 2, 3, 4. Length. So here 1, 2, 3, 4. Height is how much? 4. Height is 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Where is that? 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay. Breadth is how much? 4. Breadth. This is breadth. 1, 2, 3, 4. Clear? How much there are shapes? 2 to 4, 4 to the 12. 12 edges. How much? parallel edges. Remember, parallel edges, as well as in cube, also in cube. Okay, so this is very basic. We are going to simplify it. We are going to simplify it. Now, LH, how much time? 2 times. LH. Then this is a 2 times. So we will write 1 time. Then this is a 2 times. We will write 1 time. Got it? This is our formula. This is our formula to find out area of a cubed. Remember, 2 into LB BH HL HL LHS LH whatever. So you can write 2 HL BA HB. Okay. So to find a area of a cubed is what? 2 HL 2 HL plus LB HB. Now cube, all sides of this cube is equally. That's why we write what? A4. Am I correct? A4. I think A cube. A cube would be A cube. Isn't it? L B no. This is L, this is B, this is H. Here we are not finding what a area volume. We are not finding volume. When we say area, then also remember what here we are talking about total area of each surface. Here this is for to find out total area of each surface of cuboid. Similar here. So we have three units here. How much? 6. One second. 1, 2, 3. 1 and 1, 2, 3. 2. 1, 2, 3. 4. 1, 2, 3. 5. Shape is how much? Here again I want to remind you that we are talking about the total area of a surface. Okay. So here we are talking about area of a surface. That's why we have 6 surface, 6 faces, and in this we have the how much? 6 faces. So 2 to 4 to 6. Then we will add together. Here similar, we have 6 faces, and here there are 3 breadth, length, height. Together, measure up together 3 shape is equally. Actually, is equally. So yes, we are not talking about the volume. We are talking about a square area. For area, we apply a square. Now we have a question based on this. Now this is question with the diagram. There are two boxes as shown here below. Which box requires the lesser amount of material to make it. So here we need to find out surface. First of all, first step is to find total surface of this cuboid. This is cuboid, and this is a wood cube. Then second step will be to find. Second step is to find total area of surface of this cube. So here length, breadth, height are equally to each other. That's why this is a shape of a cube, and here length, breadth, height are unequal to each other. That's why this is shape of a cuboid. Here six faces are in shape of a rectangle. Which box the lesser amount? Which box will take lesser amount to cover? Okay. First, let's see. This is the first. This is second. Otherwise, cuboid. Total area of surface of cuboid is what? 2 LH HB B LH BH LH, then LB LH. Yeah, that's correct. So LH is where? LH. This is L. 40 multiple H. This is H. 50. Then B is the breadth. B is the breadth, which is 60 multiple H. H is 50. L again, L is 40, and then B is how much? 60. Now let's simplify it. 5 4s are 20, 2000, 6 5s are 30, 3000, 6 4s are 25. 2 multiple 5000, 7000, 7400. So yes, 7 0 0 4 to 0, 7 to 14. 14,800. This is a total area of the surface of this cuboid. Now PES of a cube, which is 6 surfaces, which have 6 surfaces. Multiple A is what? Length, breadth, height. 2 times 6 multiple 50, 50, 50. 6 5s are 30, and 5 5s are 25. 5 5s are 25. 15 3s are 25. Then 4 0 as it. This is a what? This is centimeter per square. This is centimeter per square. So which will take less amount? Cuboid. Who? This cuboid. Because it is less than total area of the surface of cube. One second. Here, this is not cube. This is a square. This is a square. 6 multiple 5 times are 25, and then 25 6 are 6 5s are 30, 3 6 3 are 12, 350, 150, 150. So how much? 15,000. So still this will take lesser amount. Okay. Shall I erase it? I am going to take next question. Next question, which is you have to read question very carefully. Then your answer will be correct, as well as your process. Find the side of a cube. Cube. It is talking about cube. Whose surface area is 600 centimeter square. This is not saying the total surface area. Let's assume it is saying that total surface area of a cube is 600 centimeter square. Okay, 600 centimeter square. So can we write total area of surface of cube is 6a square. So here this is given, which is 600 centimeter square. Okay, so here we are simplifying it. 6 multiple uh, 6 multiple here we don't know, it will be as it. Now 6 will be a square as it 6 6 on the 6 100. Now 100 is under root, so a square of 100 would be 10. So here length of a cube is a 10 centimeter, as well as breadth is a 10 centimeter, as well as edge is a 10 centimeter. This is a meaning. This is the meaning of this A is equal to 10 centimeter. Okay. I hope it is very crystal clear to you. Now, let's move on next topic. Total surface area. Total surface area of cylinder total surface area of a cylinder. This is the shape of a cylinder in which there are two circular. Total surface area of a cylinder. So this is one, this is the second. To find out the area of this, we are talking about the area, surface area. Surface area. So for this circle would be what? Pi r square, and for this circle would be pi r square. We are talking about surface, not volume. And this curved surface. Here, this is height. This is height. There is a note of height. We have height. What about base? What about base? So here, from here to till here, what do you want? H, we have H. H is breadth. H is breadth. Now, base, length. This length would be what? I think perimeter of this circle, which is 2 pi r perimeter. So 2 pi r. This is what? 2 pi r h. 2 pi r h. Okay. Now let's write it together. Would be what? First of all, here we have 2 pi r square. Pi r square. Pi r square. Then 2 pi r h. Okay, let's simplify. We have 2 pi r square. Then pi r h. Pi r h. Again 2 pi r plus h. R plus h. This is formula to find out total surface, total area surface of a cylinder. Okay. Again, I am telling you, we are not talking about volume of a cylinder. So here 2 pi r h, 2 pi r h, 2 pi r square. Just have a look. No. Let's take a question as a practice. Question the Read question very carefully. Read question very carefully. Here. Lateral surface, which means curved surface curved surface of cylinder. It is the meaning of the lateral surface, except circular to circular surface of cylinder. And the curved surface of a cylinder is a lateral surface. So area of lateral surface is 4,224 centimeters square. It is cut along its height and a rectangle formed a rectangle sheet of width 33 centimeter. Uh, Wide is how much? 33 centimeter. Its height and formed a rectangle sheet. This is 33 centimeter. This is length. Length is what? Higher to higher to higher. This is length and this is depth, which is also what? Height. Now, area of this rectangle is how much? 4,224 centimeter square. Area of this, not area of circular of cylinder. Okay. Total area of surface of cylinder is to find out it we do what 2 pi r plus h, isn't it? It is saying that lateral surface is how much? 4,224, and we have basis 2 pi r h. We have left what? This is area of this, which is 2 pi r multiplied h. Okay. Now L multiplied D. We just now D is 33. D is how much? 33. Okay. 33. Then we will have 128 meter. This is how much? 128 meter. We applied this because of here question is not talking about total area surface of a cylinder. It is saying that we have given a total area of rectangle shape of a cylinder, which is 4224, and we know and this is what L multiple V of this rectangle. So area of this is this. Now we don't know this, and this is what question is saying to find out value of L, and we know B, which is width height, which is 33 centimeter. Then after simplifying it, then this 128 meter. This is a this is it is a simplified. Next question. Now this is question. Let's understand it. A closed cylindrical tank. Then there is a cylindrical tank which is closed. This is closed. This is how it can be said that this is a closed cylindrical tank of radius of 7 meter. So diameter of this circular is how much? 40 meter. So radius is how much? 7 meter. And height is how much? Height from here to till here is how much? 3 meter. Is made from a sheet of metal. How much sheet of metal is required? How much? So here it is saying that find the total area surface of this closed cylindrical tank to identify to find that how much will be a requirement of metal to make a cylindrical tank of radius 7 meter. So clarity is clear, but we are going to apply total formula for total area surface of cylinder. Total area surface of cylinder is how much? 2 pi r plus h. 2 pi r plus h. 2 multiple 22 upon 7. R is 7. 7 plus h is 3. 7 will get cancelled out. 22 plus 44 and then 10. 440. This is what meter a square. Yeah. This is what is requirement of metal to make a cylindrical tank. A cylindrical a closed cylindrical tank. How much metal? 440 meter square. Clear? Requirement. Requirement is now we have understood how to find total area of total surface area of 3D shape, total surface area of cuboid of cube of cylinder. Now let's discuss about how to identify, how to find the total value or total volume of 3D shape, volume of cube, volume of a cuboid, and volume of a cylinder, volume cylinder. And I am telling you, it is very easy. You would say to yourself that that is it. Right. Now, first let's start from keyboard. Keyboard. So formula of keyboard would be what? L multiple H. That's it. For cube, for cube, A3, because three sides which are L, B, H is equally to each other. That's why we write what A3. So A3 it means L multiple B multiple H. Measure of L, B, H equally is equally. Then next cylinder. Cylinder. Would you what? One pi r square and then second H. So pi r square H. So here this is volume. Remember, to find out the volume of cuboid, we will apply this formula. To find out the volume of a cube, we will apply this formula. To find out the volume of a cylinder, we will apply this formula. Cuboid. Okay. This is cuboid, in which there are six faces, six surfaces, and all six surfaces are in shape of a rectangle. So this is B, this is L, and this is H. Okay. This is here. Now cube, which means all there are also six faces in shape of a square, and here this is one side, this is the second side, this is the third side of this cube shape, and measure of this is 6. Let's just say this, then measure of this would be same 6, and this would be same 6, but this is a other side, this is other side, this is other side. Okay, that's why we have taken three sides. It means three sides, L, B, H. Now cylinder. This is the cylinder. This is a cylinder. Okay, This is we already know this is a height as well as this is a breadth. This is height as well as this is what as well. This is what breadth. Now we have this. This is a radius. So only we will take one area of one circle and one height, and we have taken it. This is pi r square, and this is height. We will have a total volume of this cylinder. Okay, total volume of cylinder. We will apply this formula. We will apply this formula. Let's take questions based on this. Okay, I'm going to erase it. Our questions now, our questions based would be based on volume. 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 And the height of keyword was volume is 27.5 centimeter cube. Let's solve it by understanding this question. By understanding this question. Find the height of a cuboid whose volume, not the total surface area of a cuboid. Okay, there is a volume of a cuboid. So total volume of a cuboid is given, which is 27.5 centimeter cube, and base area is 25 centimeter square. This is area. This is area. And find the area. No, find the height. First of all, let's draw. This is cuboid. Okay, this is cuboid. Okay. What is the question saying? It is saying whose volume this inside a space is 25 centimeter cube, but base area is how much? Base area is 25 centimeter square. So here remember what can be write L multiple B multiple H is what? Here we have given base area is 25. Now we don't know A and B is what? We don't know how to solve it. Here volume of cuboid is 1 second is 27.5 centimeter cube, and this is a formula of volume of cuboid volume. Okay, 27.5. Now we have a base. Base is what? Except H. Base. This is and a length. L and length both is how much? 25. 25 H 27.5. H is 27.10 multiplied uh, 25. Then we will have, after simplifying it, there will be what measure of height. So this will get cancelled out in 11 times. H is 11 upon 10, which is 1.1 centimeter. You can simplify it in your way. Okay, to save time here, this will cut this in 11 times. Now H is 1.1 centimeter. H is 1.1 centimeter. That's it. Here, volume of a cuboid is this, and volume of a cuboid formula is L multiple B multiple H, which is this. Just we have put in variables. Now LB is given, which is 25, but H is not given. H is not given, and this is what H is what we need to find out by anyhow, okay? With logic, anyhow, but with logic. And this is our final H, which is 1.1 centimeter. Next question. Read it carefully, then you will have clarity regarding this. Now, there is a cuboid. There is a cuboid. Cuboid is of dimension L is 60 centimeter, B is 54 centimeter, H is 30 centimeter. How many small cubes with the side of 6 centimeter can be put in the given cuboid? Okay, in the given cuboid. So cuboid, which is L is 60, B is 54, and H is 30. How many small cubes? And cube L is 6, B is 6, H is 6. H is 6. You can observe it carefully for clarity. Now, to put a small cubes in this dimension, uh, we have to find a volume of this given cube. 60 centimeter multiple 54 multiple 30, which is what volume of cuboid. Volume of a cuboid. Yeah, 6 3s are 18. 18 instead multiple 54. Yeah, volume of cuboid. Now 15 4 18. 8 4s are 3. 8 5s are 40. 43 54 2 7 9. 9 7 2 0. This is a volume, total volume of this given cuboid. This given cuboid. Okay, this is what with the centimeter cube. Now, in volume of 97,200, how many a small cubes can be placed in this in volume of 97,200 centimeter cube? How many? Just we will simplify it. 97 upon 6. So put a small cubes. 9 7 6 1s are 6, 3 7 6 6 are 36, 1 2 6 2s are 12, 16,200 cubes can be put in the in a volume of 97,200. Is it correct or not? You can check it. Alright, diagram. What? Okay. Volume of a cube is over the A cube. Okay, A cube. And how many numbers? How many numbers are cubes which can be put in cuboid? So for number, we are applying a variable. Now, 60 centimeter, 54, 33 upon A3. This is a 6. 6 multiple 6 multiple 6. 6 1 is 6. Okay. Okay. 5 2s are 10. 3 2 is 6, 3 is 3 10 is 30, 3 2 is 6, 5 2 is 10, 3 1 is 3, and 3 8 is 40. 5 5 is 25, 8 5 is 40, 9. So how much? 450 cubes can be placed in given cuboid. In given cuboid. X is the number of cubes after simplifying it. Number of boxes are 450. 450 cubes can be placed in given cuboid. This is how we simplify it. We find the number of cubes. Next question. This is question. This is question. It is the same that let's read it together. A milk tank. There is a milk tank of shape of a cylinder in form of a cylinder. This is a milk tank. Okay. Whose radius is how much? Radius is 1.5. From here to here is 1.5. 5 meter. And length is 7 meter. Find the quantity of milk that can be stored in the tank. Length, I hope height. It is talking about height. This is a 7. Where is the 7 meter? 7 meter. A milk tank is in the form of a cylinder whose radius is 1.5 meter. Length is 7 meter. Find the quantity of milk that can be stored. How much quantity of milk can be stored in the tank, in the given tank? So to find out it, we have to solve it. We have to solve. We need to identify how much is a space in this given tank, and quantity quantity will be requirement of uh, will be requirement to store in the tank. Okay, radius is how much? 1.5 or 15 upon 10. 15 upon 10. Length is 7 meter, which is height. Which is height is 7 meter. Now total volume of cylinder is what is we don't know. Uh, Pi r square multiple h. Pi 22. R is 15 upon 10. 15 upon 10. H is 7. H is 7 will get cancelled. 5 2s are 5 3s are. What else? 2 11s. 3 3s are 9. 99. 3 3s are 9. 99. Centimeter cube. 99 meter cube. 99 meter cube. That quantity of milk can be stored in this. This is a space out for this tank. 99 meter cube. Is our answer correct? Okay. Now, next question. To the next question. A rectangular piece of paper whose length is 11 centimeter and the breadth is this is length and this is the breadth is folded without overlapping. Without overlapping. This is static without overlapping. To make a cylinder of a height of 4 centimeter, this is what it is talking about. This. So here. Uh, Length is height is 4 centimeter. Okay, height is 4 centimeter. Height is 4 centimeter. So here this is a curved surface. This is a curved surface in which 11 centimeter is a length. This is 11 centimeter and this is 4 centimeter. Okay, this is 4 centimeter. So find the volume of this cylinder. Okay, cylinder. No problem. And we don't have a radius. We don't have radius. So can we say 11 centimeter is a total perimeter of this circle? So total perimeter of this circle is how much? To find the radius, we are applying this. How much? 2 pi r. Total is how much? Total is 11 centimeter. 2 multiple 22 upon 7 r. We don't know to find out the radius. That's why we are applying. We have written total perimeter of the circle. 11 centimeter. 11 upon 22 2 by 7 11 2 is 1 by 2. Okay, 1 by 2. Now 1 by 2 multiple 7 by 2 is equal to r. This is the radius. This is what? Is the radius. Got it? This is radius. Radius is 7 upon 4. 7 upon 4. Height is there, radius is there. Total total volume of cylinder is how much? 2 pi r and r plus h. Total volume of a cylinder is not given. 2 multiple 22 upon 7 r is 7 upon 4. L is 7 upon 4 plus h is 4. 11. This is 11. 11 and 4. 7 plus 4 4 is 16. 11. 23 upon 4. Just we will simplify it. 23 multiple 11, 23, 3, 5, 2, 5, 3 upon 4, which is 4 5s are 20, 4 adds up, and 1 3, 4 3s are 12, and 1 0, 93.2. Here this is incorrect. Uh, this is incorrect. This is a formula of finding total surface area of cylinder. So to find out the total volume of cylinder is pi r square h. Pi r square into h. R is 7 upon 4, 7 upon 4. Then h is 4, 4, 4 will get cancelled, 7, 7 will get cancelled. Then 2 to the 4, 11 to the 22. 77 upon 2, 38.5 centimeter cube. So here 38.5. 8, 8, 16 and 5, 5, 1, 0.5, 0.5 is 1. This is how that is a simplified. What is the equation saying? First of all, we need to understand it. What is the equation saying? If each edge of a cube is doubled, then how many times will they increase? Will it increase? Double. Uh, this is a cube of a square faces. This is a cube. This is it. And it is a double. So how many will it take a time? One is a cube. And second 2 times. So how many times? 2 to the 4, 4 to the 8. 8 times. How much time? 8 times. Clear? It is a double. Cube is a double, which is this. And now after simplifying it, uh, there is what 8 times, there are 8 times of a cube. So 8 times will it 8 times a cube will increase. A cube will increase 8 times. 8 times.